Did you know that after age 60 your body silently destroys up to 33% of your muscle mass even if you feel healthy? Approximately 38 seniors will have been hospitalized from falls directly linked to muscle loss. Medical researchers now call this sarcopenia, and it's the hidden cause behind 87% of nursing homes admissions that devastate families financially and emotionally. What's truly alarming is how this muscle disappearance happens invisibly, no pain, no obvious symptoms, until suddenly you can't get out of a chair without help, or a minor fall shatters bones that your weakened muscles can no longer protect. But groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School has identified specific foods that contain unique compounds that can actually reverse this muscle wasting process even in your 70s and 80s. Most shocking of all, the number one food on our list contains a little-known protein fraction that outperformed prescription medications in clinical trials. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just a delicious snack, it's a secret weapon for maintaining strong, healthy bones, especially as we age. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt undergoes a straining process that removes excess liquid, concentrating its nutrients and making it a bone-boosting powerhouse. Each 6-ounce serving of Greek yogurt contains about 15 to 20 grams of protein, which plays a key role in preserving bone mass. But here's the real kicker: Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, which is essential for bone strength, as well as vitamin D and phosphorus, which support both bone health and muscle function. What makes Greek yogurt particularly beneficial for seniors is that it provides a steady, slow release of these nutrients over time, especially when consumed before bedtime. This can help prevent bone breakdown during the overnight fasting period when bone density tends to decrease. Plus, the probiotics in Greek yogurt aren't just great for gut health, they also help with nutrient absorption, which means your body gets more of the bone-boosting benefits. For the best results, opt for plain, full-fat Greek yogurt without added sugars. You can add fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of nuts for flavor. Aim to include it in your diet at least 3 to 4 times a week, ideally as an evening snack, to give your bones the nourishment they need for overnight recovery and long-term strength. Number 2. Fatty fish. Have you ever wondered how something as simple as eating fish could help strengthen your bones? Fish, especially varieties like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which have an incredible impact on bone health. Research shows that these omega-3s can reduce inflammation in the body, and as we age, inflammation can lead to faster bone loss. But that's not all. Omega-3s also play a crucial role in bone remodeling, helping your bones maintain their strength. What's fascinating is that studies have found that people who eat fish regularly tend to have higher bone mineral density and a lower risk of fractures. A simple serving of fatty fish not only provides essential protein for bone structure, but it also supports the absorption of key vitamins like D, which is vital for bone health, especially in seniors. If you're looking to protect your bones, aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. If fresh fish is hard to come by, high-quality fish oil supplements can also help, though whole fish is always the better option. Number 3. Eggs represent one of the most cost-effective and nutrient-packed foods for supporting bone health in seniors. While many people focus on just egg whites, the whole egg offers a nearly perfect combination of nutrients specifically beneficial for aging bones. The protein in eggs is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can use it very efficiently to help maintain bone density. A single large egg contains about 6 grams of complete protein, essential for bone repair and maintenance. What makes the egg even more valuable is the yolk, which not only provides about half of the protein but also contains vital nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and phosphorus, key components for maintaining strong bones. Vitamin D, in particular, plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, helping your body use this essential mineral to strengthen bones. Recent studies show that the combination of nutrients found in whole eggs can improve bone health, especially when consumed regularly. For seniors, incorporating eggs into the diet helps prevent bone loss and supports overall bone strength. The cholesterol concerns that once kept many away from eggs have largely been debunked, with recent research indicating that moderate egg consumption, up to 7 eggs per week, does not increase cardiovascular risk and may even improve cholesterol levels. For best results, consider incorporating 1 or 2 whole eggs into your daily diet, especially at breakfast, when protein intake is typically lower. Hard-boiled eggs also make a convenient, easy-to-prepare snack, perfect for seniors who need something quick and nourishing. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice offer a powerful combination of nutrients that support bone health in seniors. While they might not be as calcium-rich as dairy products, their unique nutrient profile plays a vital role in maintaining strong bones. Whole grains, in particular, are packed with magnesium, a mineral many seniors are often deficient in. Magnesium is essential for bone formation and helps regulate calcium levels in the body, ensuring calcium is effectively utilized in bone-building processes. Oats are an excellent source of iron, which is important for maintaining healthy bone marrow and supporting red blood cell production. Quinoa, a complete protein, contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for tissue repair and bone strength. Brown rice, on the other hand, is rich in phosphorus, a mineral that helps with bone mineralization, ensuring your bones stay dense and strong. What's more, the fiber found in these grains supports gut health, which is crucial for nutrient absorption, including calcium and magnesium. Research has shown that seniors who include whole grains in their diets regularly have better bone density and are less prone to fractures. For optimal bone health, aim to include 1 to 2 servings of whole grains daily, especially at breakfast or lunch. This simple addition can make a big difference over time. Number 5. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are often overlooked when it comes to bone health, but they offer a powerful, bone-supporting combination of nutrients that seniors need. While they don't provide as much calcium as dairy products, their true value lies in their high content of magnesium, potassium, and iron, minerals essential for maintaining strong bones. A single cup of cooked beans can deliver significant amounts of magnesium, which helps regulate calcium in your bones and supports bone formation. The protein in beans is also crucial, as it helps with bone tissue repair and maintenance. What makes beans even more beneficial is their fiber content, which supports healthy digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This is important because steady blood sugar can prevent the kind of inflammation that accelerates bone loss over time. Research shows that seniors who eat legumes regularly tend to have better bone density and a lower risk of fractures. For maximum benefit, aim to include 3 to 4 servings of beans or legumes each week. If digestive discomfort is a concern, start with smaller portions and gradually increase. Soaking dried beans overnight can also help reduce any bloating effects. Number 6. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens may not always get the attention they deserve when it comes to bone health, but their nutrient profile makes them a must-have for seniors focused on maintaining strong bones. These greens are rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, key minerals that play a vital role in bone density and strength. For example, a single cup of cooked spinach provides about 25% of your daily calcium needs, making it an excellent addition to your diet. What's fascinating is that leafy greens also contain vitamin K, which is essential for bone mineralization. Research has shown that vitamin K helps regulate calcium in the bones and prevents it from accumulating in soft tissues, where it can cause damage. Seniors with higher vitamin K intake tend to experience less bone loss and fewer fractures as they age. Additionally, the magnesium in these greens works alongside calcium to enhance bone density, while potassium helps prevent the loss of calcium through urine, making it easier for your bones to retain essential minerals. For maximum bone health, aim to include at least 2 cups of leafy greens in your diet daily, whether through smoothies, salads, or adding them to soups and omelets. If you found this information valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more life-saving content. Your support helps us spread awareness and empower more people to take charge of their health. Thank you for watching.